a classic cocktail that's a close cousin to the Negroni. The Boulevardier replaces gin with whiskey, resulting in a rich, warming beverage that's perfect for cooler weather. You will need the following ingredients: 1.5 ounces bourbon or rye whiskey. Choose a good quality whiskey for the best flavor. 1 ounce Campari, a bitter liqueur that adds a distinctive edge. 1 ounce sweet vermouth. Opt for a high-quality sweet vermouth to balance the bitterness of the Campari. For equipment you will need mixing glass, bar spoon, strainer, rocks glass, ice jigger. Here are the instructions. Fill the mixing glass with ice. Add bourbon or rye whiskey, Campari, and sweet vermouth to the mixing glass. Stir well until the mixture is well chilled, about 30 seconds. Strain the mixture into a rocks glass filled with a large ice cube or regular ice cubes. Garnish with an orange twist or cherry if desired. The Boulevardier was first published in Harry McElhone's 1927 bar guide, Barflies and Cocktails. It is said to have been created by Erskine Gwynn, an American writer who founded a monthly magazine in Paris called The Boulevardier.